Hey guys, if your iPhone has a yellow tint to it, I'll show you the two places where you can turn it off and get it back to normal. First off, go to Settings, then scroll down the main menu until you get to Display and Brightness. From here, scroll down and you will see Night Shift. Select that and just turn off Scheduled or manually enable until tomorrow. That will bring it back to normal. I'll leave it turned on for a moment, show you the second way. Go back to the home screen, swipe down from the top right corner, press and hold the brightness, and you will see Night Shift again just here. Just press it, brings your screen back to normal. So I hope you found this useful. If you have, really appreciate giving the video a quick thumbs up as it helps the channel out and it helps others find this video too. Do check out my channel. I have a lot more tips and tricks for the iPhone and other electronic devices at home. Thank you very much for choosing my video, and if you'd like to subscribe, that would be much appreciated, and do come back soon. Thanks a lot and goodbye.